So this is our project strategy of smart healthcare appointment and record system. So this is our first reactions and Spring Boot project in which we are going to create a software as a service that we can use in hospitals to manage their data and efficient management of the whole system. So in this we are going to create this project in total 7 pages. Let's say so at first page we are going to set the requirements and plannings for the project like what roles it's going to have. We have three roles: patient, doctor, admin. And first, then we can have MVP features that we are going to must have. Uh, this and after this we have bonus features also. If I have some time or in future we will add this. So we have first registration, login form, and role-based access. First feature override, and then appointment booking system was पेशेंट रिकॉर्ड जिसके अंदर बेसिक हिस्ट्री और प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस इंक्लूड रहेंगे और डॉक्टर डैशबोर्ड्स मैनेज इन विच वी कैन मैनेज अपॉइंटमेंट्स एंड प्रिस्क्रिप्शन में जो पर्ची डॉक्टर लिखता है ना वो एडमिन डैशबोर्ड in which we can manage doctors' data, patient data, billing data. Admin is the head of the overall system. So, if we have some time to make bonus features, we will also add the file upload medical reports by which we can ask the doctors directly about the medical reports online. Mm, and have the medical things to visit the hospital or not. Uh, Analytical dashboards in which we can admin. It is for mainly purpose for admin, in which admin can track the progress of the all patients and doctors. And last feature payment integration by the Pay or other platform in which we can directly pay through online for the payment. Uh, For this, we have to deliver the requirements of the outlining of features. मतलब ये अपने को deliver करना रहेगा. So this is our first page. We will go through the other pages also, but first we will understand and go through these pages. So this is our MD file and the role will come to the coding after the architecture and requirement of the project. So this is our role and permission of our project in which we roles. Creating this fully working project will add more roles like a nurse and other sweeper and safaiwala and many more. So that can be a good thing and servant thing also. So patient have the permission to register, login, manage their own profile, not the doctor one, and or the admin one. Search for the doctor. Patient can search for the doctor, book an appointment based on availability, and view their appointment history and their prescriptions. Prescription में दवा गोली जो अपन डॉक्टर का पर्चा करवाते हैं वो. Uh, the role, another role is doctor. It has the permission of it can also register by the admin approval because everyone cannot be a doctor. So after approving the admin, it can register the doctor approval. And it can also log in, manage their profile, own profile, availability schedule. If it is available, then it will show to the patient panel. Doctor can view upcoming appointments by the patients. It can also access the patient's history for the appointment and create and update patient's prescriptions. And the main and the center admin panel. It has also login information, manage all accounts, approve and disable accounts of the doctor because everyone cannot be a doctor. Delete patient account. You can also delete the patient account if it is not needed. Do system-wide appointments, and manage basic billing records. So this is the main and hero role of this management system. Then we are going to have features. It is going to have that must have. First one is authentication and authorization. We have to secure our application email and password. We will also add a Google login system and forward password and related things to the login. It is a JWT authentication, JSON Web Token for authenticating API request and role-based access control. Appointment booking. Patient can view doctor's available time slots and book an appointment. So this feature is only for patients and patient medical report ये डॉक्टर अपडेट करेगा in which doctor can see the appointments and the information of the patients. Admin dashboard. Admin dashboards manage the doctor and patient account and oversees the billing entries. Means admin has all the access to the doctor and the billing entries and all over the system. Admin has the section. Admin has the permission. So if we have much time to create the bonus features also, so we are going to also create the bonus features in which file uploads included, analytics included, and payment integration included, in which the patient can payment to the doctor directly by the application software. So this is our features scope. Okay, so now we are going to see our ERD diagram for database tables, how our database and table is going to be. So I have made this using Figma. So, the first table is user table. It is going to have the ID, email, password, role ID. What role ID is do here? It connects the role table to the user table, in which in this table it will have the three roles: doctor, patient, and admin. So it is also important. And the next table is doctor table, in which doctor table related to the user table because user is a doctor. User can be a doctor or can be a patient. So this is the doctor table. Here why we have not created the admin table, because admin will only have one user, so it doesn't need database. We can directly set the admin password under JW authentication. Patient and doctor has the primary key user ID that connects the user table to the doctor table. And the first name, last name, specialty means it is a heart surgeon or anything specialty that he has, neurologist and other things, and is approved. This is a new value that approves that approved by, then it is going to add in our software. Patient table is has ID feature, user ID, uh, first name, last name, contact number to contact the patient. Both can have the access of appointment table because doctors see the appointment of the patient and patient can appoint the doctor. So patient ID stored here, doctor ID stored here because both are connected to each other and both can appoint each other. Appointment date and status means completed appointment, failed appointment, or pending appointment. Uh, the appointment table can, is why it is connected to prescription, because after appointing you will get a prescription and a billing table, because you will get also the bill of the doctor and the hospital service. So it will also have ID, appointment ID, and medical detail, doses, how many doses you need to take, and the billing table also have this. So this is our database table configuration. You can do check. I will provide this, and this is the final architecture and workflow of our application. How it is going to. So user login using JWT authentication and it via client side presentation layer. Web browser loads the display the UI according to the user role. If it is a doctor, it will show. If it is a doctor, it will show the doctor's UI dashboard. Is a normal patient, so it will show the normal patient panel. If it is admin, so it will show the admin panel according to the role-based access. Uh, it will call, after that it will call the API endpoints. API endpoints require the Spring Security and JWT authentication. It authenticates with the business logic. Business logic go to the Spring Boot backend, then it will exposes the API endpoints that are connected to the layer. So this is our first stage of the appointment and billing, appointment healthcare, smart healthcare appointment and report system. So tomorrow we will create the phase two. Uh, why we are creating it like that, requirement and architecture. Uh, Before last time I made two projects in which I haven't added anything like requirements and ERD made by Figma architecture and workflow. So I made that projects using Spring Boot and Thymelic, that is a template engine for Spring Boot. So in jobs they ask for React.js, so we have to learn React for more productive and scalable, get scalable applications. That is for today.